going to discuss the innovation and entrepreneurship as career opportunity. The job opportunity for entrepreneurship as a career is very important for the day. Mid-level management, we can go for mid-level management. At big companies, the C-level folks develop ideas, the ground force does the work, and mid-level management converts the idea into execution. We may be business consultant, we may go in sales, one can go in research and development, and uh, one also choose the profession of a teacher or professor lecturer. One may go for a recruiter, and also we can go for a business reporter if we are keen to opt this opportunity in career management. We choose career management, career opportunity. The thoughts further pushed the young generation towards entrepreneurship. They desire to be their own boss and have better control. The motivation to take risks in the changed global environment where unexplored new opportunities were present, the ambition to develop and execute a plan right from the ground level. This is very relevant in this pandemic period. The purpose of innovation is to continuously grow and renew an enterprise with new or better products, more efficient processes, or enhanced business models. This is very much required. Indeed, an entrepreneur is someone who is willing and able to transform an innovation into a